Good morning, guys. Today I will explain you about international law. What is international law and how it is important in present times, and how you can make a good career out of international law. So, first of all, international law means rules, laws, body of principles which regulates the behavior between the countries and also obligates the country to bind by the treaty when once the treaty has been ratified by the countries. That is, you can call it as major agreements between the parties. So, according to VCLT Article 26, which talks about Pacta Sunt Servanda, which means that once the treaty has been ratified by the countries, they are obligated in good faith to perform that treaty. First, and the beautiful, important characteristics of international law. And also, the most important thing is that international law promotes global peace and securities across the globe, which organ is responsible is that United Nations for Security Council. That is the principal organ of United Nations which promotes global peace and security. That is most important in the present times, where you can see many crimes and many war happening, like in the case of Israel, Palestine, Ukraine, Syria, and all. And the most important thing is that role of ICJ in international law, International Court of Justice, which resolves the dispute between the parties when there is any conflict between the states involved. So this is very important. The most important point of international law is that state sovereignty, which means that no state should interfere in the sovereignty of the other state without the permission of that state, which is a very beautiful thing to note. And also, the most important thing is that cooperation between the states. International law promotes the cooperation between the states by looking onto their problems and resolving them efficiently. International law is a very dynamic topic, I can say, and if you are in love with this topic and if you want to pursue it as a career, you can make a good career out of it. So, international law is very dynamic in nature, which involves many things in it. So, if you are in love with this, you can make a good career out of it. Thank you so much.